If some of you are not aware, Rotary Club, Rotary International just added a 7th area of focus, which is help for the environment this past year. And we're doing that today. And for those of you who don't know, 75% of all plants in the world rely on pollinators. And that is bees, that is bats, that is moths, that is hummingbirds. And we're here today to help with that. We have California native plants that we're going to be planting in these amazing planters that we already have set up. But we need to pull weeds first.